Every single day, billions of people worldwide use YouTube to search for information. While it is known for entertainment, YouTube is also the second largest search engine in the world. If you want to make a real sustainable income on the platform, you need to understand its function as a search engine and use it accordingly. Many creators approach YouTube with a publish and hope strategy, which means they create content and hope it will magically generate revenue. This often leads to a frustrating cycle of constantly chasing the algorithm with no guarantee of success. The alternative, which puts you in a position of power, is working with YouTube's natural function as a search engine. When you position yourself to be found by people who will pay you for your expertise, you can make the algorithm work for you. So, how do you move from the hamster wheel of random content creation to an engine that fuels growth? It starts with identifying your ideal viewer. Who are you trying to serve? The key is to create relevant content that directly addresses their needs and interests. This teaches the algorithm what your channel is about and who you're trying to reach, allowing it to serve your content to the right people. You need to make people care. In the beginning, focus on search traffic by creating content that addresses pain points and FAQs. As people find your helpful videos through search, they subscribe. This means that when you post new content, it's suggested to your initial audience, and you also start to tap into browse traffic. The algorithm will then begin to promote your videos to relevant viewers through its internal traffic sources. Now, let's talk about monetization. Many people wonder how to make money when giving away free content. Well, in today's world of information overload, people seek out experts. You can position yourself as an expert through your YouTube content. However, the real transformation happens through a structured blueprint, roadmap, and method, your online course. Your price point should reflect the value of the outcome or transformation for your clients, not just the information you provide. It's vital to attract ideal clients. Start by crafting a transformation statement. I help ideal client at their zero state go from zero state to hero state, so that they can achieve desired feelings and outcomes related to getting to that hero state. Every video you create should be relevant to this statement. Remember, one view can equal one client for your online program. It's crucial to build an email list as you don't own the algorithm on YouTube. Offer a free lead magnet such as a checklist or PDF in exchange for their email address. This creates an audience you own and who will be more likely to engage with your videos. Think about converting strangers into clients through a content scaling funnel. At the top of the funnel, for cold leads, offer a low-barrier lead magnet like an ebook. In the middle, provide a webinar or in-depth training. For hot leads, offer a direct conversion call to action like a buy button. YouTube is an intent-based platform, so the leads you get from YouTube tend to be warm and ready to buy. The value in your content must be high, and you don't need high production value. Cracking the code on YouTube comes down to content, optimization, development, and expansion. First, focus on your niche. Who are you trying to reach? What do you want to be known for? You want to be a big fish in a small pond by identifying a unique angle based on your expertise. Next, optimize your videos with compelling thumbnails and hyper-relevant titles. Then, focus on development of your content for high retention, with an efficient, tight intro that quickly provides value. Finally, expand your reach by sharing the content to your email list and on other platforms. When creating your content, consider the type of content. First is relevance. What problems, pain points, and FAQs do ideal viewers have? You can use your experience, market research, and even AI tools to determine this. Then think about content optimization with SEO by targeting low search volume keywords. There are 3 categories of content: evergreen, which is timeless tutorials and tips; depth, which builds relationships with your audience; viral content, which isn't necessarily desirable, as it brings in less relevant viewers. Focus on evergreen content to continuously attract new viewers. The key metrics to focus on are retention, aiming for 40% or more of the video watched, click-through rate, aiming for 2 to 10%, qualitative feedback through in-depth comments. A great way to measure success is to track the dollar value per subscriber rather than per view. Longer videos between 10 to 20 minutes tend to attract more engaged and quality viewers than short-form videos, which are not always effective in building expertise and trust. Remember, relevancy rules. Random content will hinder the growth of your channel. Relevant content will build a loyal base of viewers who are invested in your expertise. Focus on the Flywheel ideal viewer, relevant content, algorithm support, and traffic sources working for you. This strategy allows you to monetize your content in your own way without being tied to algorithm changes or constantly creating content. Your content can work for you even when you're not working, which allows you to grow without trading time for money.